Massive welcome everybody. We're here at Portstewart today. The weather is absolutely perfect and the sea clarity is absolutely fine, so hopefully we do get some good visibility. I'm here today just as a pleasure dive, guys. I just want to get in the water and have a look around. Hopefully we get to see some nice interesting things, but as always, you just never know. We could see some good things, we could see nothing at all. That's just the way it goes. As you all know from previous videos, you just don't know what's going to happen and what you're going to see under the water. But just look at these conditions. Absolutely beautiful. There's actually people in there swimming. Now the water temperature is pretty good, 16 degrees at the moment. I'm just going to turn around for you. What an amazing place this is, absolutely stunning. Sorry about the bit of wind. Yeah, so I'm going to go get changed, get in the water. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please hit the thumbs up, like, share, subscribe if you don't mind. That does mean a lot to me and really does help my channel. So I'll see you shortly when I'm in the water. Let's hope we have a good one. I'm hovering around the bottom because this is where most of the sea life hangs around. I'm also trying to find a lobster that would be in the size range and edible. This is a shoal of pollock again that you can see in front. And believe it or not, guys, this is really good visibility for Northern Ireland. If you're wondering what I'm doing hovering around, I'm still looking for that edible lobster. There will be one somewhere. People often wonder what these spiky balls are. They're actually a species of sea urchin, and they're very, very popular over here. And as you can see, the further we get out to sea, the visibility gets even better. This crab was a really good size and edible, but it wasn't the target species today, so he gets to live. As you can see, this dive was not deep at all. The max depth I think I did on this dive was only about 6 meters. look what we have here. This first lobster, but unfortunately I don't think it's quite big enough, and also I do feel a bit sorry for it. It does only have one claw. I guess it gets to live another day. Right guys, I'm not long out of the water here. As you can see, the air's everywhere. Pretty good dive. The visibility was spot on here. Really impressed with that. A bit of sea life, lots of pollock as we got a bit further out past the kelp jungle and through all the tall kelp. We did see pollock, quite a lot of them everywhere. We did see one lobster, some crab, jellyfish, a couple of wrasse. So an interesting mix, not too great though, but the visibility was amazing and I really enjoyed that. More than anything, I just like getting in the water and relaxing, just getting out there and chilling out, you know. It is absolutely fantastic. And there's nothing better than chilling out, is getting in the water and diving. So I really did enjoy that. Not too long of a video because I didn't want to bore you just swimming around and exploring. Pretty much after a while things start to look the same, so I have cut it down and shown you the best things that I did see. But just look at that, look look at that house there as well. Someone's so lucky living there. But this place is called Portstewart in Northern Ireland. Absolutely amazing, eh? Right, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a quick one, and if you don't mind, please hit the like, share and subscribe. That does mean a lot, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye, take care.